Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc., a used car dealership out of Palatine, Illinois. Here's another beautiful, super nice and clean, low mileage arrival directly from Japan to our dealership. 1999 Toyota Altezza, and known as an Lexus IS 300 here in USA. Super nice and clean looking 4-door sedan with a 6-speed manual transmission. It's got 131,000 kilometers, which is 81,000 miles. So super low miles, being 1999. It's in a great shape, super nice and clean body with a beautiful body kit, rear spoiler. It runs and drives very nice. And as I said, this is a 6-speed manual transmission, very hard to find. 2.0 liter engine with beams. Beautiful, super nice and clean, guys. Nice tires, alloy wheels, fog lamps, beautiful body in a great shape. Let's take a look on the interior as well. This is a right-hand drive. As I said, we got it from Japan. It's been imported from Japan, from our partners over there. So it's been inspected, detailed, front row ready. Right-hand drive, 6-speed manual transmission. It's got aftermarket radio, climate control. No warning lights on the dash. Besides, it's just low on gas, which is we're gonna fix that problem, no problem. And power windows, power locks, power mirrors, non-smoking, no odors inside. Beautiful seats, nice and clean. Clean headliner. Back seats in a great shape as well. As I said, detailed, inspected, front row ready, fresh oil in it. Super nice unit. Nardi steering wheel. Let's take a peek under the hood. Beautiful tires, actually brand new. Alloy wheels. Open the hood, guys, so we can take a peek under the hood. Beautiful, super nice and clean under the hood as well. 4 cylinders, 2.0 liter engine with beams. Nice and clean all around, detailed, inspected. As I said, fresh oil. Guys, please stop by and take this beautiful 1999 Toyota Altezza. 6-speed manual transmission with just only 81,000 miles for test drive. You're not going to be disappointed. It's a super nice and clean unit with a super low miles. Any questions, please call us 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com and click on JDM inventory special, so you'll see all our JDM inventory. Please check us out. As I said, we're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Again, website is carcitychicago.com. For vehicles imported from Japan, please click on JDM inventory special. You'll find all these vehicles. We have minivans, SUVs, sports cars, you name it. So please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Again, check our website carcitychicago.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.